Okay, so we're going to work on green screens. First thing that you need to do is go to your browser. In this case I have Google. You're going to type in Luna Pic, which is already showing. You're going to click there and you're going to upload a picture that you already took from your green screen. You're going to go to Browse and I'm going to pick this one right here, Open. And it's going to show it to me. And what I need to do is to make sure I get rid of all of the background. So in order for me to do that, I have to go to File, or not, I have to go to Edit, and Transparent Background. Then I click where I want the transparency to go, so it gets rid of the background. Now I keep doing this until all the green has come out of it. Let's try that again. If you click on Apply, it will save your work and then you can continue to do it again, so it'll help. So again, go to Edit, Transparent Background, click on the green stuff you want out, apply, try doing it a couple of times, it's going to take a while. So I'm going to pause it until I get all the green stuff out. So after you worked on it for a while and there's still some shades, what I like to do is I like to go to the eraser tool and I like to use this to erase those marks that I wasn't able to get as quickly. Doing this, make sure you don't do the background with this type of tone because it might be the same tone as the kids' faces or objects' faces. So you don't want to do that. You might use the eraser tool for a while until you can take out all the background. So I'm going to do this, but I'm not going to do it in real time, otherwise I'll be here for a while. So again, I'm going to pause it in order to get rid of all these marks. Okay, so now that the background has been removed for the most part, what we're going to do is we are going to open Google Slides, and once you do that you will find this, and let me go back, and so you're going to open a new presentation. It's going to look like this. You want to make sure you exit all of this. You can erase this. All you need is the slide itself because we're going to paste this in here. So we're going to grab it, we're going to copy the image, and we're going to paste it down here. So now you have what your image looks like without the background. Of course I forgot some stuff over here, but that's okay for now. You're going to click on background and you're going to choose an image. Now before you do that you need to come here to your Google. Well, I like to use Google, you can use Bing if you want to. Let's say I wanted to do a baby shark background. I put baby shark and then I pick a background. I'll go here and I want to get the link. So I'm going to copy the link address. And I'm going to put a background here. Change the background. And it says choose an image. And since I copied the URL, I'm going to paste it right here. It says that it cannot be found. So let's try another link. Maybe that one didn't work. And so you just have to play with it until you find a background that you like and that you can copy. So let's try this one. We're going to open it in a new link. So we have the link itself. Nope. That one's not going to work. Okay. Let's see if give me a second to find a good one. So Baby Shark turned out to be a little more difficult than I expected because it took me to videos and not really pictures. So what I did is I just changed my background. So I put Under the Sea background under Google, and then I clicked on images. And once I click on, let's say this one, and I copy the link address, I take it to my background, I choose an image, and I paste my URL, which now it's not working. A minute ago it was working, so let's try it again. copy, no, not copy image, sorry. We're going to do copy link address. We're going to try it one more time. It's supposed to be a JPEG. That's a picture. So you click select. You set done. And now you can move your kits around. You can make them smaller. You can change the direction. And then you save your file. Let's say I'm not too happy with this one. Move it this way. And I'm going to, right there. I'm going to file, and I'm going to save it. Download as a JPEG so that you can print it out. It's going to take you to a different presentation, a different program to save it. If you see down here, then I'm going to click save, and I'm going to save it under edited for teachers. And now you have it on your documents. You remember where you put it. And you can print it. So that's how you use a green screen in less than 7 minutes.